My name's Laura, I'm 35 years old, and this is exactly what I do for work that pays me $543,000 per year. Since so many of you asked, I do e-commerce. E-commerce is basically selling physical products online to consumers through my own web shop. And the way it works is you want to find products that solve a problem that you can sell to consumers. Consumers are always looking for their problems to be solved. Once you have validated that this product is something that consumers want by doing market research, what you want to do then is start creating your website using Shopify.com. It's only $29 per month to create your Shopify store. Once you do this, you should create your product pages, which is your landing page for the product that you're selling. And then you start driving traffic to that product page using different ad platforms. You can do Google, Facebook, and or Pinterest. You drive customers to your store, they buy the product, and you keep the profits after the cost of goods and the ad costs. So say for example, you were selling a product for $50 and it cost you $20 to acquire the product. That leaves you with $30, right? Then it costs you about $15 to acquire the customer from social media ads. That leaves you with a $15 profit per item sold. That means you would only have to sell 20 products per day to make $300 profit per day. And that right there is 6 figures. Now imagine you had multiple products making you that profit. Just use your imagination.